Hi,
Good to see you. Again, come on. We're
아, 그거 아세요? 태국에서 밥을 이렇게 깨끗하게 비우잖아요. 개들이나 그런 거라고 하더라고요. 안녕하십니까. 제가 예전에 2년 전이었어요. 몽골 여행을 다녀왔었는데 몽골 여행 중에 오토바이 여행 중에 만났던 폴란드 그리고 치앙마이 커플, 홀테 커플을 만난 적이 있습니다. 2년이 지난 지금 오늘 오랜만에 치앙마이 와가지고 같이 만나서 밥 먹기로 했어요. 그래서 지금 가려고 합니다. 와이프는 지금 임신 중이라서 그냥 혼자서 가려고요. 왜냐면은 제가 만난 친구잖아요. 와이프는 안 만나도 되는 그런 사이다 보니까 지금 가려고 합니다. 가겠습니다. 렌탈 바이크가 아닌 제 헌터커브 제 오토바이로 치앙마이 도심을 달리니까 너무 좋네요. 어디 중국 음식점 먹기로 했거든요. 여기 근처에 온 것 같은데 여기 있다. Hi.
good to see you. Oh my
Nice
God.
to see you again.
Again, come on. We're just the seat for you here.
Oh, it's big meal.
You are alone, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
You live in Bangkok.
Bangkok,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
And we came here because of every stuff we moved to here before we gonna move to Korea.
We're gonna move to Korea. Is she happy?
Yeah,
to move there?
Sure.
Okay, that's the most important.
You guys doing motorbike trip here?
Sorry?
You guys doing motorbike trip here?
Yeah, we started in Ulaanbaatar on Monday.
Where you guys hitting? You guys hitting? Going.
Oh, we are going to the rock. And we're gonna stay for a night.
Tayera Rock.
And then we are going to the north.
Awesome. Are you guys from?
I'm from Poland and she's from Thailand.
Sawadee krap. Inditiได้รู้จักนะครับ
You are from Thailand?
I'm from Korea,
Ah, okay.
but my wife is Thailand.
Ah, I see.
Yeah,
But where is your wife? It's
only with a Mongolian friend.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Oh my God, Thai. How did you come to Mongolia from Thailand? Flight, transfer, right?
Yeah.
No right way.
No.
No direct. Yeah.
No, via Hong Kong. But there is
From
like
Hong
a 1.5 hour stop, so it's pretty fast. It's only like 3 hours to Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Quick change the flag and 4 hours, Ulaanbaatar. So
I got it.
so you speak like I understand that you speak fluently Thai.
Thai? Not fluently. A little bit. A little bit.
But still good. And Mongolian? Do you speak Mongolian?
No. I'm speaking only English and a little bit Thai.
Okay. So where do you live with your wife? In Thailand or Korea?
I'm living in Thailand, Bangkok, Thailand. Just get married 3 months ago. Long time relationship, 7 years.
7 years.
Long distance relationship, and
I
then
see.
finally I got married. So you guys are couple or?
Yes.
Wow,
We are
awesome.
living in Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai is my wife's hometown.
Oh.
Yeah.
You have an Instagram or something?
Oh yeah, let's
Come on,
share.
let's change. Maybe someday we can meet and drive.
So you guys living in Thailand,
Yes.
in Chiang Mai.
Yes.
I'm gonna contact you guys in Chiang Mai.
Yeah.
I sometimes go to the Chiang Mai because of my wife.
Let me know when you're gonna be there. I can borrow you my bike. I have Honda CRF 300, so you can just take around.
In Chiang Mai?
Yes.
Oh yes. How long have you been staying there?
I born there.
What about you?
And me, I've been first time last year for 2 months. I visited first time Thailand.
Uh-huh.
Then I went out for like 1 year, and I came back this year for January and February, and we met this year. But again, I had to go to Malaysia because my visa expired, and now I came back to Chiang Mai again.
That's
Stay
awesome.
like,
That's awesome. What's your name, by the way?
Peter, and you?
Peter. I'm Kim.
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 Oh, it will be nice to. It will be
Cake.
Yeah, Kim.
Cake.
It will be easy to remember, like kimchi.
Kim Jong-un, kimchi, something like that.
Such a nice coincidence.
Yeah, coincidence, really. Very nice to meet you guys about from Thailand because my wife is Thailand. I love Thailand.
Where are you heading right now?
Right now we going back to Ulaanbaatar.
Ah, okay.
We went to the west side of the Mongolia.
Okay. So how long take the whole trip?
7 days.
7
Yeah, today is the seventh day.
How have you met with your Mongolian friends?
At first my friend was my tour guide in Mongolia. We keep in touch, and then she invited us to like celebrate their baby or something.
Okay.
And then she made a tour company in Mongolia.
That's good.
And she said she promote about motorbike trip in their company. So She invited me. That's why I came here. I came here for 3 times.
I can share with her some content later if you want. Share the content from our camera and drone. If she needs something for promote the motorbike trip.
Oh yeah, that's
I
awesome.
can send it. Yeah. So we have to go. It's really nice to meet you.
Yeah, sure.
Stay in
Really
contact.
nice to meet you. Really nice to meet you.
We are in touch
In Instagram. And then
I'm sure
let's
that
meet
we-
up in Chiang Mai.
I'm sure we're gonna meet in Chiang Mai.
Of course, absolutely.
Have you do the bike trip in Chiang Mai or
Not yet.
Thailand?
Because my wife is so strict. She always said, don't drive the motorbike to another village. Only in Bangkok, our village, something like that.
Chiang Mai and the area in the north is so good for motorbike.
So good, yes.
Yeah. If you come, we can go together.
Yes, of course.
Let us know.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. Have a good trip. 라왕, 레오거 촉디는 촉디. 와, 멋있네. 내가 몽골에서 태국 사람을 만날 줄이야. 폴란드, 태국 국제 커플인데 치앙마이에서 살고 몽골에 바이크 트립을 왔어. 저 친구들은 제가 나중에 꼭 한번 치앙마이에 가가지고 한번 만나야겠어. 만나서 치앙마이에서 한번 오토바이 여행도 하고 막 해야겠어. 재밌을 것 같습니다. 아, 이런 식으로 여행하면서 만나는 인연이 되게 신기합니다. 재밌습니다. 폴란드 피터, 태국 케이크 이름 예쁘네. 케이크.
And Friday is no one told you.
Guys, thank you so much for coming, all of you. For sharing this. Happy birthday.
Tak jak powiedziałem wcześniej, to miała być
tylko
kolacja, więc to my powinniśmy...
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
The chicken is
Ah, that's yours, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so this back on our shoot.
This one. That's Kim bike.
Yeah.
So comfortable. So the guy who also did the trip around like Cambodia and Laos on this bike, but he had the more off-road tires.
Yeah.
City 125. It's so nice looking bike.
manual.
I never
Yeah,
customizing
it's
anything.
Yeah, it's really good. Good looking bike.
Trzymajcie, dajcie do
Siemanko.
See you guys, see you tomorrow.
Nice meeting you.
Did you say goodbye? Okay, I will just say.
Yeah. Oh, Peter, bigger.
Yeah, bigger.
Every day eating control workout
Yeah.
over 4 hours,
No, not that long
3
like that.
to 3 hours.
3 hours.
Wow.
Yeah. But not like so intense. We have some rest
Uh-huh.
and go back to train again. Yeah.
Bye.
But the important thing is it's strength training.
Yeah, strengthening. Yeah,
Home?
Huh?
Han?
Han.
Yeah, very nice girl.
very nice bike.
Oh yeah.
I love it. CRF.
Oh, it's so nice.
I need CRF as
Good
well.
for a city. Good for a city. Great for out of the city. We went last year to Laos for Christmas on these bikes.
Yeah,
Amazing.
amazing. Yeah, I saw it. I saw your
Amazing,
video.
serious. I just changed now tire for more road because we like most of the year we ride around the Chiang Mai, but they are still enough to do like easy off-road, but much better, more sticky on the asphalt around the city. But oh my god, this bike already we have 20,000 K.
No
Like
problem.
Like new.
Wow.
I just do the
Just-
service ever like 5,000, change oil, like the checkup, change tires so far. It's really good, so good bike. Like nothing happening with it.
If I back to Thailand, I gonna buy this
So
one,
cheap
CRF.
in Thailand.
Yeah.
Like I paid 150,000 baht for new one, and in Poland same cost 290,000
Oh
baht.
yes.
Because the import taxes
Yeah.
and everything, it's so expensive.
Made by Thailand, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's why.
Yeah, that's why.
Can I try a
Yeah,
little bit
sure,
driving?
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, take mine. Mine is better.
Okay, mine is better.
Yeah, mine is better.
Thank you.
You don't like my bike.
It's still very light bike, to be honest. It's very light bike.
Wow. 부드러워. 너무 좋다. Very nice. Really. When I handling, it's quite heavy, but when I driving,
It's light.
light.
Yeah.
150,000 baht.
Yes. 159,000.
59,000. 능센 하면 9,000. Okay.
So good.
Awesome.
Really.
Yeah.
It's just soft, very soft.
Very soft, yeah.
But I was like to buy the new suspension, like the rare, the good one costs around 15 to 20,000, so I didn't want to invest because like for daily using it's like
Sure.
just normal.
And quite big between the car.
It's your feeling because your bike is smaller.
Oh,
But
yeah.
Believe me, I never had a problem that I stuck in the.
Oh, really?
traffic. If scooter can go somewhere, usually I can go also because mine a little bit higher than the mirror, so
Yeah.
it's easy.
Oh, nice.
In America, I decided to buy Himalayan 450 on this one. But also so nice position.
Yeah,
It's a little bit
Himalayan.
lower.
I really wanted to buy this one in Korea.
But in here it's more expensive than CRF. But in Chile it's much cheaper than the CRF. It's like 100,000 baht cheaper. So I decided to buy this one. But I really recommend CRF, especially because of the like in Thailand service. So cheap.
So cheap.
Get the parts.
Yes.
Like in Chiang Mai we have like big shop with the parts and
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can get everything like just walk and get the
Yeah,
parts.
yeah, yeah,
Like,
yeah,
you don't
yeah.
have to wait for anything.
It's good. I have to
Really
go.
happy to meet you again.
Really.
I wish you all the best. Let
Thank
us
you.
know. I
Yeah.
hope that everything gonna be okay for you in Korea. I'm sure
Ching ching.
it's
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
just be
Yeah.
Don't
Thank
worry.
you. I wish you all the best as well.
Yeah. Maybe one day we're gonna go to Seoul also. I will let you know if you're gonna be there.
Anytime,
Some content
anywhere.
slides.
Let's meet up again.
It's gonna be Chiang Mai. Just let us know in
Sure.
advance, and we're gonna plan some trip.
Sure.
Finally.
Yeah.
We're gonna do what we love together.
Okay. Thank you so much everything
Welcome.
today. Today meal, thank you.
Yeah. Sure that we're gonna come back to Chiang Mai, yeah?
Yeah, of course. Sure.
Bangkok is not that fun like Chiang Mai. We have much more fun in here.
Yeah,
with
yeah,
the
yeah.
bikes, with everything.
See ya. 아, 다음에 태국 오면 저거 사야겠다. 진짜 CRF 진짜 좋네. 맛있습니다. 역시나 맛있네요. 너무 맛있게 잘 먹었습니다. 와이프도 너무 맛있게 잘 먹었다고 하는데 아무래도 입이 작다 보니까 제가 다 먹었어요. 제가 거의 하나 반을 먹은 것 같아요. 와이프는 반만 먹었고 어쨌든 깨끗하게 비웠습니다. 아, 그거 아세요? 태국에서 밥을 이렇게 깨끗하게 비우잖아요? 이거는 개들이나 그런 거라고 하더라고요. 그래서 웬만하면 잘 깨끗하게 안 비우려고 하는데 맛있으니까 비워지게 되네요. 아무튼 여기 추천드립니다. 치앙마이 오시면은 태국 음식 이게 좀 질리거나 하시면 중국 음식 한번 드셔보세요. 퀸 치킨. 아, 치킨이래. 퀸 키친. 맛있었어. 나중에 또 와야지.